Kausuro ni jonyuol mag jopuonjre sekond nyiri ma Isiolo koro dwaro ni tend sikul no chiw ler mathoth kotenore kod mach manyowango kar nindo mar jopuonjre kendo kelo lal. Jonyuol bura ne ogudore e rangach mar sikul no chakre otieno kendo nyaka okinyi ma kawuono kane gidwaro ni mondo yawnegi mondo gidonji gi res nyithindgi. Majno nyomuoch e od nindo moting'o jopuonjre 135 ka kuom hawi maber jopuonjre go ne oriko dhi nyime kod somo e klas e kinde mar masirano.
Shule ilipatwa na mkasa last night na imekuwa mambo mbaya. Shule imekuwa gutted down one dormitory ya form 1 ambayo ina contain watoto kama 135. As for now ile kitu inasemekana hakuna wale wameumia, but we are still to wait for the official confirmation from the school and police. But nimevisit the scene. Kukombaya yote, everything is gutted down. The whole dormitory is down. Everything what was inside is down. This is our school just here in town. Na zile ziko ndani kama ni moto kama hiyo ingetokea, what would have happened? Sasa hapa tuko town karibu headquarters, moto ipatikani. Kwa hivyo tunaomba county ya Isiolo, mambo ya emergency response ichukuliwa hatua. Hatutaki watoto wetu waendelee kuumia. Juzi tumeona wale wameumia kule Nyeri. So hata ni Mungu amesaidia tu, hata hawa tunge